Union Lake Vet Hospital is got to be one of the biggest vet hospitals in Michigan. I mean, we have the vet hospital, the pet services with grooming, training, boarding, daycare, the rehab center. I mean, it's kind of the one-stop shop for pet care.
We pride ourselves on providing the best general medicine in the community. And one of the things that we really pride ourselves on is that we do a lot of low stress and fear-free handling. The entire team is trained on fear-free techniques.
We address how the patient's handling their visit. How are they feeling? Are they anxious? Are they easygoing? Are they loving the snacks? And if they're not, we recognize their body language to know how to move forward. Do we need to stop what we're doing today and have another visit on some anti-anxiety medications? Do we need to just have the patient with the owner because they work better with the owner? It's kind of whatever's best for them.
I really like the fact that we're still a privately owned veterinary clinic. We aren't a big corporation that has to follow a lot of rules. Your manager is here, she's in the building, she talks to us, she asks us for input, we have team meetings, we have team building opportunities, and I just really like that about this practice.
So Annette is one of the few bosses I've ever had that is willing to get her hands dirty. She is a licensed technician, but she's also our administrator, which I think is amazing because she's able to see if there's problems on the floor because she works there. And if we have an employee out, she's able to fill that role and it's smooth and it's efficient.
There's been many times that we are having trouble with either placing a catheter or getting a blood draw, and we're out of people. So we will call her over and she'll come over in her dress and heels and she'll totally dive in and help us. I think she likes it. I think she likes that we still need her. And we all joke that she still got it because she's been in the industry a long time.
Union Lake would be a great place to work for someone who wants to pursue a lot of continuing education, and the allowance for that is really great. It allows you to explore special areas of interest for sure, and I'm a good example of that because I have done training for chiropractic, acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine, and food therapy so far. The extra training I've had has allowed me to look at my patients in a different way. And without that support, I would have never been able to add those to my practice every day.
In this practice, I am able to achieve work-life balance. I have a second career in the fitness world, and they're very understanding about that. So I only work 3 days a week to make sure I have that time off, and I'm able to have that as my release where I can shut things off. I don't have to answer my work email, and I really like the fact that I can come back to work refreshed, having not had to worry about things for a couple of days.
Working at Union Lake is a very unique situation because we all consider ourselves family. When you come in, it's very welcoming, and we also have fun behind the scenes. Some days our days are very sad. We can do some very sad and depressing things, but we try to keep up the morale and have a family unit.
Family atmosphere for sure. Yeah, you talk about your own life, you talk about work life, always there for each other, always backing each other up. If one person knows that we're having a rough day or something, everyone else kind of covers, just we take care of each other.
My favorite thing about Union Lake Veterinary Hospital is my team. In good times and in bad, we work together, we problem solve together. We are a formidable force when it comes to being patient advocates.
I just think Union Lake is fun. I think we have a lot of fun. We laugh a lot, we joke a lot, we are very serious about our job, but we're also super silly and we don't take ourselves seriously, and I think that makes it fun.
We practice excellent medicine. I really enjoy working with my coworkers. Great support. Something would have to drastically change for me to choose to work someplace else.
I would say to somebody who's thinking about applying here, you should definitely do it. If you're looking for a place to come where you can enjoy the work, you can enjoy your coworkers, and you can go home feeling happy and completed at the end of your day, this is it. This is the place.